Hello, everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download music from YouTube on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Safari or any browser you like. Once it is opened, click on the search bar. Then type YouTube Studio. Then tap and hold the first official link. Then click on Open in New tab. Then click on Continue to Studio. Once you are in, on the left side menu, scroll down and tap the music icon. This takes you to the YouTube audio library, where you can browse free music by mood, genre, or duration. Find a track you like, click the download icon next to it, and confirm. The music will be saved directly to your iPhone's Downloads folder. Open the Files app. Then click on Downloads, and there's your music, ready to use in your own YouTube videos. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.